In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Arlo. Let's dive right into it, starting with the first step. Open your App Store. If you're using an Android device, head over to the Google Play Store. For those on an iPhone or iPad, you'll want to open the App Store. This step is crucial because it ensures you're downloading the app from a reliable source. Using the official App Store helps protect your device from malicious software. Once you're in the App Store, the next thing you need to do is search for the app. Tap on the search bar at the top of the screen, then type in Arlo Secure. Make sure you spell it correctly to find the right app. This step might seem simple, but accuracy here guarantees that you get the app you're looking for. After you've entered the name, you'll see a list of results. Select the official app. Look for the one published by Arlo Technologies, Inc. It's important to choose this version because it's the legitimate app designed and maintained by the official developers. Remember, the app you want is called Arlo Secure. This is an updated version that replaces the old Arlo app. Ensuring you download the correct app helps avoid potential security risks. Now, it's time to install the app. If you're on an Android device, tap Install. For those using iOS, you'll want to tap Get. Once you've done that, wait for the download to finish. Depending on your internet speed, this could take a few moments. Be patient, and soon enough you'll have the app ready to go on your device. This makes sure you have the latest features and security updates. Always remember to download Arlo Secure, not any third-party clones. These clones can pose security risks and often don't provide the same level of service. Sticking to the official app ensures you're getting the best experience with full support from Arlo Technologies. You may also need to create a subscription plan for cloud video storage and advanced features. This is something to consider if you plan to use Arlo for more than just basic functionality. Advanced features can greatly enhance your experience by offering added security and convenience. It's also worth noting that Arlo Secure works best on modern Android and iOS versions. If your device is running an older operating system, you might encounter compatibility issues. Keeping your device's software up to date not only improves app performance, but also ensures you're protected with the latest security patches. With that ready, you're all set to start using the Arlo app. From here, you can explore its features and begin setting up your security system. Whether you're using it for home security or monitoring, Arlo Secure offers a range of options to fit your needs. By following these steps, you've successfully downloaded the Arlo app. You've ensured that your device remains secure and that you're using the most current version available. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for watching and enjoy your new Arlo app.